Steph Curry changed the game by realizing he could just launch from the parking lot while everyone else was busy actually playing basketball. Kevin Durant is the ultimate "if you can't beat him, join him" pioneer, proving that loyalty is just a word for people without a burner account. Shaq was a physical marvel who spent half his career dominant and the other half wondering why free throws are so hard for a giant. Tim Duncan was so fundamentally sound he made winning 5 rings look as exciting as watching beige paint dry in a library. Larry Bird proved you don't need a vertical leap if you can just talk enough trash to make your opponent's brain melt. Magic Johnson ran the fast break like a wizard, mostly because defenders were too mesmerized by his smile to actually play defense. Wilt Chamberlain's stats look like a glitch in a video game, though he probably claimed he scored 100 points while walking uphill both ways. Bill Russell has more rings than fingers, mostly because he played against guys who were basically part-time librarians and milkmen. Kobe Bryant took Mamba mentality so literally, he'd probably try to outcompete his own shadow in a game of checkers. LeBron James is the GOAT of longevity, successfully chasing a ghost in Chicago while managing to become his own general manager. Michael Jordan is the undisputed king, primarily because he took everything personally, including the fact that other people dared to breathe his air. Hakeem Olajuwon made world-class centers look like they were wearing roller skates on a greased floor. Oscar Robertson invented the triple-double before anyone realized padding stats was a viable career path. Jerry West is literally the logo, yet somehow still feels like the guy who's just happy to be invited to the party. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar had a skyhook so unblockable it's actually rude, winning for 20 years just to flex on everyone's retirement plans. If you enjoyed this dose of reality, hit that like and subscribe button for more stories that'll make your sports takes look sane.